Hello, I'm here to introduce a fun game to everyone, Pokemon Go. I believe many people are familiar with it. It is an augmented reality Pokemon journey for us, also my first AR experience. The reason I chose this app is because I have watched Pokemon animations since I was a child and played Pokemon games, always dreamed of becoming a Pokemon master. So how do we really enter the world of Pokemon? This app helps us partially realize it. Next, I will take you to this game. With the video of introduction, I will briefly introduce some of the logic of this game, and it's simple but funny. We can incubate our Pokemon eggs through exercise. The Pokemon are pinpointed on a real-world map, and when you get to that location, you use your camera to see them in the real world via your phone screen and try to throw a ball and catch them. There is also a player-to-player battlefield. You can battle with your friends. It's a funny competition. I made a demonstration video by myself, just show some cases like landmark and how to get a Pokemon. By clicking the landmark, it will give you some information. And then try to throw a ball to catch the Pokemon. The first time I missed, and the second time I catch it. Yeah, let's talk about some technologies behind. It takes commonplace technologies such as GPS, mapping, and satellite service, and combines them with location service and landmarks and antennas familiar characters. Pokemon Go has made it possible for AR to blend into the background and allow the gaming experience to lead. Definitely, it uses ARKit and ARCore as well. Also, it is being built on a cloud-based service ingress from Google, which allows Pokemon Go to distribute and scale quickly to meet user demand. For example, data submitted by Ingress users of local sports, they thought it should act as portals in that game, which served as the basis for determining Pokestops and gyms in Pokemon Go. And Pokemon Go said that they want to make a 3D scans of the whole world for planet-scale AR experience, which means it encourages players to create and upload 3D scans of the real-world locations. You know, last year iPhone has a powerful LiDAR scanner to create more detailed 3D scans. It could also better support Apple's AR ecosystem as well. And with the help of users upload about the 3D scans, reality blending will let your Pokemon look better in the real world. Pokemon will be able to hide behind a real object or be blocked by a tree or table blocking its path, just like you would see a Pokemon in the physical world. Talk about the user experience. There are advantages. You can vividly interact with Pokemon, and it encourages us to step out and get some air. There are low barriers to entry. There is an organic social sharing experience like Pokestops, and there are defects as well. Verbal tutorials diminishes willingness of user, and it will also make people extremely addicted. Let's take 2 examples. The Pokemon Go Grandpa's bike evolves to hold 64 smartphones in order to catch real Pokemons. It is dangerous driving, and there are men fall from cliff while playing Pokemon Go. Also dangerous things. Finally, we talk about the competition and related works. The most similar app in the market is Ingress, and I have mentioned before, it is made by Niantic as well, which also use GPS augmented images and allow players to engage at real locations. And due to the intellectual property restrictions, there are fewer competitions about Pokemon in the market because of the Pokemon IP is extremely expensive. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.